time for another episode of Stealing and Styling Pieces from his closet. And in today's video, I'm going to take this blue shirt that's super versatile and show you how you can turn it into a really chic outfit. I'm Aanam and you're watching me on another episode of Stealing and Styling His Clothes. In today's episode, I'm going to be working with this classic black shirt that every man's wardrobe is going to have. Let's dive right into this.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.